Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I want to walk you through how to set up two-factor verification on your Whop profile. So all you have to do once you are inside your Whop account, click your profile on the lower left hand side, and from here you will be taken over to the account settings. Now click on security and privacy in the list, and here you'll have two-factor authentication. Now you can choose if you want to use the authenticator app, and so you want to download the authenticator app on your Play Store or your App Store. So go on your Play Store or your App Store and ensure that you download the Authenticator app. And from here, you'll be able to proceed. Now, so also you can use SMS. It's really up to you if you want to use text message. And you would just need to go ahead and click on enable. So whichever option you choose, for example, if I want to choose the SMS, I can click on enable. And what's it's going to do is going to ask me to enter my phone number. And of course, you want to go ahead and click on edit, and you want to select your country code and so forth, and from here enter your phone number, click on this check mark here, and it's going to send a code to your phone. Once you receive that code, guys, you'll be able to verify it, and once you verify, you are now connected and have the two-factor authentication enabled for your text message. For the authenticator, it's going to be super simple and pretty much the same. You select this, click enable two-factor authentication. It's going to ask you to basically use the app to scan this, or you can choose enter code. So what you will do is basically open up the authenticator app, go ahead and get a code from the authenticator app. Once it loads a new code, enter that code here, and it's going to quickly verify. So you can choose any one of the option. Either you take this picture, take this barcode with the authenticator app, or enter a code from the app to this, and you'll be able to link it. So you can choose whichever one you want. But that's it.